As we all blog, tweet, and update our Facebook pages, we all do that on a sort of a daily basis through our tool of choice, TweetDeck. Other tools come to mind as well. The task usually involves getting into your social account and basically updating your status, or if this happens to be, let's say, a Facebook page, then updating your Facebook page, which is all nice, but oftentimes we find ourselves sort of doing double work. So let's say we are maintaining a blog as well in addition to our social channels. And on this blog, we have a bunch of useful information. We have blog items. We have people leaving comments, etc., etc. So let's say we wanted to, once a particular item is posted to a blog, and by the way, this can be our blog and can be somebody else's. So as soon as something is posted to this blog, let's say we wanted to automatically have that piece of content sent out to our Twitter, or let's say our Facebook or our LinkedIn account. So for example, we've recently published a developer API. You can see this little item that we've linked, and RSS syndication was, for example, another blog post that we did on our support portal. And as soon as we did, it automatically went to our Twitter feed, and it automatically went to our Facebook page as well, and some other channels, WordPress and LinkedIn account. And this is how we got it set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my social report account here. Here are my projects. I will open up my project, and I will go into campaigns right away. And as you can see, there are two types of campaigns. So for those who are not familiar with campaigns within social report, just a very high level introduction. Campaign is in essence a social message that you are able to post to multiple social channels. It can basically be about anything, and it has to have a link. And once you've distributed that message across your networks, we're able to track clicks, how many people from which networks clicked on your link. And also, if you install a conversion script, let's say on your checkout page, on your survey page, we'll be able to connect the dots. We'll be able to tell you how many people clicked on those links, from which networks, what time of day, where they're from, and all that good stuff. But more importantly, how many of them have actually took action, how many of them purchased products from you, and given your ability to configure your conversion rates here, how much the conversion is worth, how much you're spending, you basically are able to calculate earnings, hardcore physical earnings. So now we basically, as a layer on top of that functionality, we allow you, so instead of basically having you post that message manually every time, so one option that you now have in addition to everything else is you can basically create an RSS syndication, which is nothing but a RSS feed URL. So you can basically put a location of your RSS feed into the system. You can tell which account the old new blog posts will be basically going into, and define your conversion strategies, and you're done. So for example, we have this RSS syndication set up for our own blog, and as you can see, it's been set up since the 13th, just a few days ago. And basically, this is the URL of our RSS feed. These are the targets. You can see some of the Twitter accounts, some of the Facebook pages. These are the publications. So I can see that I have already published some stuff as a result of this. And you can basically get into the clicks, into the conversions, etc., etc. You can set up as many RSS syndications as you like, and also note that these can be your RSS feeds, it can be somebody else's. So if you know a good third-party resource that you want to automatically publish to your accounts, you can quickly do that. And the real power is not in the fact that you can actually publish that automatically, is in the fact that all of the click and conversion tracking that our campaigns have is now at your disposal as when you distribute your content as well. So that's basically it. So put in the RSS link, have your content disseminated across your social channels, track clicks, track conversions. All right, thank you.